Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and we have got ourselves a Charlie's Nail Art Haul Part 8, I believe. Airmail. I got my little queen stamp instead of like, but at least we got it clean. Gonna pull out some stuff. Let me find Charlie's note. Love getting her note. Love, love, love it. Dear Cherie, many thanks for your order. We hope that you are happy with all your nail art goodies. We look forward to seeing all your fab nail designs. Charlie. And I do keep all my notes for like Charlie, or when the nail junkie writes me a note, or somebody puts me a little note in with my, oh boy, with my orders or friend mail, or I just love it, so I keep them. So we're going to start with these. These are angel hair paper. We got this is like a yellowish green. This is like an iridescent pink and blue. And we have another one here that's the pink. These are little ice cream cones. Over in the UK they might call them, I think they call them lollies. No, I don't know what they call them. These are ice cream cones here to us. These are butterflies. Butterflies. I don't know if you can tell what is going on here. Alright, we are back. I'm really not too sure what happened, but the camera did blip out on us. So here are the butterflies. Super, super cute. These are, okay, let me see. These are the same butterflies, but this one looks like there's way more in it. These are just clumped together, I believe. These are 2 Christmas bells, I think, or maybe an angel. I'm not really too sure. I think it's an angel. 2 little Christmas angels. Oh boy, we got tons more of angel hair paper, and I'm not sure what I bought all this angel hair paper for. I've attempted it, and oh, this looks like there's nothing in it. The blue, that's pretty. I'll keep one of those. The rest of them are going into the giveaway. I did not have, I have to practice with it. I didn't have a good time with the angel hair paper. I did attempt it one night in practice, but here are some more ice cream cones. Some AB circles. Screw all that over. Oh, I wish I knew what color to call these. I don't know if I should call these orange. Maybe not. Oh, they're really pretty though. Keeping them. Here are 2 spiders. Ooh, scary. We have got 3 packs of ice cream, so definitely one of these is going, and maybe 2 of these are going into the giveaway tote. Sunflowers. Love, love, love them. I have these already, so these will be going into the giveaway tote. You can see this is a full pack from Charlie's. Here are more sunflowers. Another thing, the spiders I'm keeping, I'm sorry, but oh, these are so pretty. These are mixed. Hopefully you can see those. They're black. These are just like circle over little buttons, and these have like a clasp on a stone, like a ring would have. Okay, we have got 2 of these, so I'll be keeping one and putting one in the giveaway. Where are... I already put some of these out. Where'd they go? I've lost them. Oh, here we are. Hello. Okay, I got circles and I got squares. Oh, another pack of these. I was getting greedy, ordering, but not greedy. Putting them in the giveaway. This is a kind of small haul for me. Got some more angels, spiders, sunflowers. Here's the sunflower I'll put in the giveaway. And here are the white, like the black ones. So out of this order, let me get all this angel hair paper. I will keep a blue and a green. So all these are going in the giveaway. I'm not too sure, I went kind of crazy. So that's going in the giveaway. Put these in the giveaway. This in the giveaway. This in the giveaway. Keeping the spiders for sure. How many is supposed to? Okay, we'll put one sunflower in here. Maybe two. So all this right here is going in the giveaway too. Everything you see in my hand is going in the giveaway too. Might be a butterfly too, but I'm not really certain right now. But this is my Charlie's haul, part 8. This is what I'm keeping. And this is what I'm putting in the giveaway too. Angel paper, sunflowers, these really beautiful, look like fruit punch stones. Some ice creams. Just gonna share with y'all. So here we are. I have giveaways going on, so make sure you check those out. Have yourself a blessed day, and thank you.